Hi everybody and welcome back, it's Rog here once again, and today I'm going to be showing you my take on a very easy and very tasty lamb curry. Got so much flavour, you're going to really enjoy it. So without further ado, let's make a start. But before we do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I've got hundreds of videos, I'm sure there must be one out there that you would love. Okay, so here we have our ingredients. We've got some lovely leg lamb steaks here. I've got 4 of those. We're going to need some butter and we're going to need some cooking oil. Pretty much any cooking oil will do. A tin of chopped tomatoes, about 2 or 3 cloves of garlic, a lemon, some ginger. I do like ginger. We're going to chop this up and put it in with the garlic, which is there. We've got 1 whole white chopped up onion, some coriander, and here are our spices. 2 teaspoons of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, half a teaspoon of chili powder. Of course you don't have to put any in if you don't want to. 2 teaspoons of paprika and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. So into a heavy based pan on a hob, medium heat, we're going to start with about 2 tablespoons full of butter or ghee. We're going to let this melt down a little bit and then add some cooking oil or olive oil. Then we can add our chopped onions. We're going to let these cook down a little bit until they get nice and soft, and they'll change flavour. They'll get quite sweet too. Then we can pop in our garlic and ginger. I've chopped this up quite small, as you can see. Give this another mix in with the onion, which is sweated down quite nicely now. Then we can start adding our lamb. I don't put it all in one go, just a little bit at a time. And we're going to cook this until it's got browned off with the butter and the oil, and also getting those flavours going. So when it gets to this stage, we can put in our spices. Pop them all in one go, and make sure they're mixed in well. It's at this point we're going to put in our tin of chopped tomatoes. So in they go. Now I don't like to waste any, so I'll rinse the can out with a drop of water. If it's a little bit too watery, not to worry about that because it will evaporate. So now it's time to add in the juice of half a lemon. Now we don't generally do this, but I do love that flavour. Put in plenty of coriander. I do love the flavour of coriander. So in that goes. Give this a stir. Get all those flavours really incorporated, because now I tell you guys, this is so tasty. It is smelling so good. So it's on with the lid, and we're going to cook this for about an hour on a really low heat. Then we take off the lid, do the finishing touches. Just a teaspoon of garam masala and a sprinkling of coriander, and it's job done. Time to plate up. Now I'm going to be serving this up on a bed of freshly steamed rice. Now that's looking good. Finishing touches, we're going to add some okra or lady's fingers, and of course a little slice of lemon on the side. This is so delicious. Thanks so much for watching guys, hope you've enjoyed it. I shall see you all again next time. Oh, please don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.